Very good morning, students. Under Khelo India program, today we'll be discussing from 6th point onward, that is utilization and creation upgradation of sports infrastructures. Here, upgradation of infrastructures means whatever facilities are provided in different districts or state level, those facilities should be upgraded as per the latest facilities, latest safeties and all technical coaches. Next one is support the national, regional and state sports academies. They are time to time giving support to all national, regional and state level academies. It is a long term plan. Those athletes are undergoing training. They must produce result at international arena. This is the main purpose of these academies. Next one is physical fitness of school going children. School going children fitness program is that, are you remembering that I have conducted for you all right from class 6th onward in year 2017-18 we have conducted 9th and above. Then next year 18-19 we have conducted 6th and above up to 12th class. Total boys as well as girls, total 11 tests were conducted, like strength of arms, abdomen, sprinting explosive strength of individual, balancing ability or coordinative ability like ball tapping and all on the wall. All these 10-11 tests I have conducted for one and all the sports in our school. This is purpose is to develop the physical fitness of all school going children. Sports for women. This Khelo India program, this supports the mainly participation of women in all the sports. They give more weightage in participation of the girls. Then promotion of sports among specially abled children. Specially abled, now what we call a disabled children. Disabled means जिसको हम हिंदी में क्या बोलेंगे उसको, विकलांग. Word Viklang, nowadays for psychologically their mind should not be hampered, so handicapped also we are not supposed to call now. Disabled children also we are not supposed to call. Earlier name from handicap, it has become disabled. Disabled is also not appropriate word. Now new word they have found, that is specially abled. Those children are also able to do something, specially abled. They are not like you, but they are also good. They can do anything. For them also this sports program should be conducted time to time in different levels. Then next is promotion of rural and indigenous and tribal games. This is related with the rural and indigenous. What the word indigenous means? हिंदी वर्ड स्वदेशी. कुछ गेम ऐसे होते हैं जो विच इज नॉट रिकॉग्नाइज ऑन इंटरनेशनल एरेना, बट एवरी एरियाज, let it be a district level or village level or within the country level, these games are conducted on state championship as well as national championship. I'll give few example of indigenous sports in our country. Earlier Kabaddi was also indigenous sports which is included now in Asian championship. Now it is no more indigenous. Kho-Kho was also indigenous sports. Now it is included in the SAP games, so it is also not indigenous now. And other games like बैठक, जो आपको कान पकड़ के सिटअप्स लगाते हैं, वैसे कान पकड़े बिना with help of hand swing how many sit-ups you are doing, that is in Hindi it is known as दंड बैठक. दंड बैठक, इस दंड बैठक का नेशनल लेवल पे कंपटीशन होता है. मीन्स like many other games are there, some tribal areas games are there, those games Satoliya, pehle Satoliya, now it is indigenous sports because it is not recognized by international arena. So these games are played within the country, within the state, which is not recognized. In this Khelo India, it is giving importance to all these regional games also, indigenous games also, and time to time their coaching and national level competitions are being organized. All these matters are taken by the Khelo India program. Thank you and have a healthy corona free day.